Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are y'all doing? In today's video I'm sharing with y'all a hair oil recipe. This is homemade with some really good ingredients which will help curtail hair fall, and if used regularly will definitely help in regrowth of hair. This hair oil is made by using natural and very effective herbs. These ingredients have been used in India in hair care for ages. This hair oil makes your hair more manageable, silky and smooth. It has antimicrobial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory properties. It helps in improving the blood circulation in your scalp, promote hair growth, prevent hair fall, and delay graying of hair. To make this hair oil, you need to make this paste, and for making this, you need a bunch of ingredients. The most important of them all is this. It's called Bringraj leaves. So aptly called Bringraj because it is the king of all hair care ingredients. It is the most popular one in any Ayurvedic hair care product. It's a very powerful and effective herb for the overall health of your hair. Now this is known by different names in different regions. It's called Bringraj in Hindi, and in Tamil it's called Kariselankani. Make sure you use only the Bringraj leaves with the tiny white flowers. Here I have thoroughly cleaned and washed the leaves. I'm using only the leaves and the tender stems of the plant. The next amazing and fabulous ingredient is hibiscus flowers as well as the leaves. Both are so good for the overall health of your skin. This is rich in antioxidants. It's going to strengthen your hair roots and really strengthen the hair follicles as well. It takes care of any kind of itchy scalp and dandruff. It also delays premature graying of hair. Next ingredient is curry leaves. It's really rich in beta carotene and amino acids, and it's really going to promote hair growth and also reduce hair fall when you use it regularly. Do try to include curry leaves in your food because it's really rich in iron. I've removed the stems from the hibiscus flowers and thoroughly rinsed it. I've also washed the rest of the leaves really well. Now I blended all of the ingredients without adding any water in the blender, and this is what the paste looks like. You also need two other ingredients. I'm taking a tablespoon of methi seeds and kalonji seeds. Now I never stick to one particular oil for my hair care. I like to use different types of oil because each oil contains its own benefits. Here I'm planning to use mustard oil or sarson ka tel. So I've kept a pan on the stove, and we'll wait until the pan heats up. Make sure there's no moisture content in the pan. So once the pan is heated up, I'm going to pour the oil. Now the amount of oil you require is the ingredients you have made a paste of must be submerged in the oil, and that's how I go about making my hair oils. So here I'm taking around maybe 200 ml of the mustard oil, and you can see the dark color of the paste. Now this will stain your hands and your nails. Now I'm going to add the paste to the oil once it's heated up. Make sure you do this entire process in a low flame. So I'm adding all of the paste into the oil. Next I'm adding the fenugreek seeds or methi seeds. I'm also adding the kalonji seeds or onion seeds. It's also known as karunjeeragam in Tamil. Make sure you cook all these ingredients in a low flame and keep stirring it at regular intervals so that the ingredients are cooked uniformly and don't get burnt. Now, if you think you require more oil, you can go ahead and pour more oil into this. You can also use coconut oil. Like I said, I like to use different types of oil. The whole process takes around 35 to 45 minutes, and you can see the oil has been infused with the rich color of all the leaves and the ingredients we've used in the oil. You need to switch off the stove once the bubbling in the oil stops and the ingredients turn a very deep dark shade. The ingredients are well cooked, because that's when you're going to have a longer shelf life. This could easily last around 5 to 6 months. It's reduced and the oil as well as the mixture in it has turned a very darker, deeper shade. Now let this mixture along with the oil cool the entire night, and the next day you can filter it with the help of a tea strainer or a muslin cloth. This is really a very concentrated form of oil. Once you're done filtering, you're left behind with the extracts of all the ingredients you've used in making the oil. Now we're not going to waste that. Now we're going to transfer all of those extracts left behind after filtering into another container and going to reuse it to make more oil. So this method is the infusion method. I'm going to infuse this mix with some coconut oil this time because I really like my coconut oil as well. And I'm going to let it infuse for around 1 week, and after that you need to filter it, and you can use the oil and discard the filtered ingredients. This does take a bit of effort to make this oil, but you really will start seeing the results as you keep using this oil regularly. It is worth all the effort and time you have spent in making it. This oil will easily last you for around 5 to 6 months. Be consistent in using the oil and it will improve your scalp and hair health. Do try it out, and also let me know in the comment section whether it really worked for you or not. If you really liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get updated every time I upload a video. And also, if you're interested in more such DIY homemade remedies, do let me know your requests in the comment section down below. So until my next video, take care.